Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So you're driving your Peugeot, it's a fine day, then boom, a little light pops up. It's the engine management light. Oh boy, this light can make your heart sink. It often means something needs attention. Many Peugeot owners have seen this light, but don't you worry too much just yet. Peugeots are great cars, full of character. Sometimes that character includes these funny lights. They use these lights to tell us things. Think of it like your car is saying bonjour, check me. Let's get ready to understand that light. Ignoring that little engine light? Not a good idea. It's like ignoring a toothache, folks. It usually just gets worse over time. Your Peugeot is trying to tell you something important. It needs your help to run its best. Listening early can save you a lot of trouble. It can also save you some money too. If the engine management system has a fault, your car might not run as smoothly. You could see lower gas mileage. Performance can drop. It might feel sluggish. Sometimes it can lead to bigger problems later, like a small leak turning into a big flood. Prompt action is definitely the key here. A small issue fixed quickly is best. This keeps your Peugeot happy and healthy. It also helps keep the air cleaner. A well-running engine is better for our planet. Fixing the fault brings back that driving joy. It's satisfying to see that light go off. Alright, let's get down to business. 5 easy steps. First, we need to ask the car what's wrong. Step 1. Use an OBD2 scanner. This sounds fancy, but it's a simple tool. You plug it in under your dashboard. It reads a code from the car's computer. This code tells you where the problem might be. Step 2. Check those sensors. Often, a faulty sensor is the culprit, things like oxygen sensors or MAF sensors. The OBD2 code will point you in the right direction. You might need to clean a sensor, or you might need to replace one. Many sensors are easy to get to. Step 3. Reset the engine management system. After you fix the problem or think you have, sometimes the scanner can reset the light, or disconnecting the battery for a bit might work. Step 4. The all-important test drive. Drive it like you normally would for a while. Section 4. When to wave the white flag and feel good anyway. Now for step 5, know when to call a pro. Sometimes the problem is a bit tricky. The light might come back on, or it never left. The OBD2 code might be confusing, or the repair might need special tools. There is no shame in getting professional help. Good mechanics are like car doctors really. They have the experience for the tough jobs. I remember one time with an old Duesenberg. Thought it was a simple fuel line clog. Spent hours. Turned out to be a tiny, hidden vacuum leak. A real head scratcher, that one was. My pal, a specialist, found it in minutes. Sometimes you just need that expert eye. So don't beat yourself up if you're stuck. It happens to the best of us, trust me. But even if you do need a pro for this one, you've learned something valuable about your car. You tried. You got your hands a little dirty. That's what car enthusiasm is all about. You understand your Peugeot a bit better now. Next time, a smaller issue might pop up. Section 5. Get out there and conquer that light. So you see, fixing these faults can be straightforward. It's not some dark art or secret science. Your Peugeot just wants a little understanding. With a little patience and the right approach, you can become the master of that engine light. Think of the confidence you will gain. It's empowering to take control like this. You're not just a driver, you're a problem solver. That engine management light doesn't have to rule your life. It doesn't have to mean expensive dealer visits every time. You have the power to investigate it yourself. You can make informed decisions about your car. Imagine telling your friends, "Oh, the engine light? Yeah, I sorted that out last weekend." They'll be impressed and you'll feel great. It's a wonderful skill to have in your toolbox. So, what are you waiting for, my friend? If that Peugeot light is on, give these steps a try. Get yourself an OBD2 scanner. They're not expensive. Take a look, see what your car is saying. You might surprise yourself with what you can do. Subscribe, like, and comment for more videos like this.